What's happening, YouTube? I thought we'd do a little Subaru content today. I don't know. Why not? Let's do a little Subaru content. I flew the drone around a little bit. I don't know. It's kind of cool. It's fun flying the drone around. Nice thing about this Subaru is I carry all my shit that I need for work, right? It's quite a bit. I haven't really done a lot of Subaru content on this channel since I got this car. I mean, I didn't buy it to really go bombing around dirt roads. Although, for a cool little station wagon, it's a lot of fun. I really only have a couple complaints about it. And basically, it's all about that head unit. If they would have taken some time to, I don't know, dial that head unit in, which the biggest problem is it controls everything. Other than that, it's a pretty great car. And for long road trips, holy crap, it's pretty comfortable. Except for the fake leather seats that they have. The 4Runner has fake leather seats, and they don't make my back hot like these do. But other than that, those are my two main complaints. It's a pretty great little car. And it's kind of fun flying the drone around it. Lucky me to live in this area, huh? Does it ride as nice as my TRD Pro 4Runner? It does not. Does it get decent fuel mileage? It can if you're nice to it. It can if you're nice to it. So let's get into this. That's a pretty decent little hill climb here. I mean, this is what I feel like this is what these cars should be doing. I don't think, at least in my opinion, you should be trying to do, technical four-wheel drive stuff. Just because, for one thing, the CVT transmission ain't gonna fall in love with that type of activity at all. It's going to shorten its life. They're not into that. They just aren't. CVTs aren't it. They're not the most wonderful things. It works, I suppose. That's where we were down there. Like I said, pretty nice little climb. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to take the 4Runner out tomorrow and show it some love. Work that front differential out a little bit. Hang out with some friends. So if you haven't done so before, just discovering this channel, you like nonsense involving Japanese vehicles for the time being, I don't know if Toyota will earn me back. I don't know. I just don't know. Anyways, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time around. Thanks for watching. Bye now.